Faster to remove calluses and dead skin without cutting the healthy skin. Giving you back the softer feet. Easy to replace old pad. Our pedicure foot scrubber can be repeated used. Coming with 10 refilled pads which easy to tear. About package. It includes 1 foot file plus 10 replacement pad. Salon-like results. It comprises 2 surfaces, coarse and fine. The rougher, coarse, surface is going to exfoliate your dead skin seamlessly and gently. The fine surface help you removes minor calluses and dry skin from feet. You can do it by yourself and no need to spend much money on salon. Smooth handle. The handle of our pedicure file is smooth stainless steel and at the same time firm looking. You can get absolute control over the scraper. And the handle's length is such that it will fit in your palm comfortably. A compact size portable. It is compact portability. It also supports both of the wet and dry operations. Make sure that your feet remain callus-free. Top reviews from the United States. Makes the soles of my feet feel soft and smooth. It is easy to hold. Enough glue on the file pads to hold nicely on the paddle. Loved so much I ordered 3 more to send to my sisters in Virginia. I will be buying more of this product.